My video is about removing a pop-up scam by the site Daytechoninf.site. It's a dangerous site indeed. It targets Google Chrome and other browsers, and this site tries to make you really scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by Daytechoninf.site resource, be very careful and don't trust these deceptive pop-ups. They may be actually permanently disturbing your screen, which is obviously very annoying. So, the origin of such pop-ups is most likely explained by the presence of some adware on your computer. What I recommend you to do is to research the system with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove other threats from your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.